Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, I'm back with another video to show you guys how you can log into a Sanford Employee Account. First of all, just open up any web browser, like I already did with Google, and go into its search bar. Just type in Sanford Employee Login and hit enter. After doing so, many links will pop up on the screen, as you can see, and it is the first link that pops up on your screen. Click on that link. Now, after clicking on that link, it will take you to the official website of Sanford Health, where you can see current employee and former employee sections. For current employees, go to the Employee Portal and click on Employee Portal. Now, after doing so, it will take you to a different site where you need to put your username and password correctly in order to sign into your employee account. So, put the correct username and password, and hit submit in order to log into the employee account. So, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell notification. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.